Ponds. Let's see who wrote this book. The author's not on the front page. To open it up and see. Aha. By Emily Bone. Illustrated by Lucy Rieland. There's a turtle. Lots of different plants and animals live in ponds. Dragonflies and damselflies fly above the water. Water striders balance on the surface. Fish swim at the bottom of the ponds. Many plants grow in ponds. Water mint, water reed grows completely underwater. Water lilies float on the surface. Water violet, and fish shelter among the plants. Ponds are home to lots of different fish. Father stickleback fish looked after their babies. Some fish have flowing fins and tails, others have short ones. Some pond animals are fierce hunters. Great diving beetles dive down to catch fish. Water scorpions grab animals to eat. Young dragonflies are called nymphs. They have long jaws to catch food. He caught a tadpole. Oh no. A dragonfly nymph climbs up a plant. Suddenly, its skin splits and an adult dragonfly climbs out and then flies away to find food. Wow, look. Metamorphosis, it changed into a dragonfly. Wow. Dragonflies and damselflies dart around hunting bugs. This dragonfly is hunting a mayfly. This is a common blue damselfly. Some stop to rest on plants. This is a scarlet darter dragonfly. Many dragonflies, huh? Frogs, toads, and newts come to ponds in spring to lay eggs. Great crested newts. They lay tiny white eggs on leaves. Frogs and toads call to partners. The American toad says, trill, trill, trill. This frog makes a peeping call like peep, 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 peep. Frogs lay lots of eggs called frog spawn. Tiny tadpoles hatch out of the eggs. Tadpoles grow back legs and then front legs. They get bigger too. Finally, they turn into frogs. We're going to talk about that on Monday. Pond snails crawl up and down underwater plants. They eat leaves. Fish and frogs hunt the snails. Ooh, they're hunting. Water spiders live in ponds. A spider traps air from the surface between hairs on its body. It dives down and builds a web between pond plants. It fills the web with air and climbs inside. The spider breathes the air. A young mosquito passes by. The spider rushes to catch it. Turtles lie in the hot sun at the edges of ponds to warm up. They have hard shells. They can hide away inside their shells. They slide into the cool water to hunt for food. Plop. Mayflies grow up underwater in ponds. When they're ready to turn into adults, they come to the surface. They fly in big groups looking for partners. Can you spot something else hiding in the pond? Many different birds live around ponds. Moorhens build nests at the edge of ponds. Swallows snatch bugs off the surface. Herons catch fish from under the water. Water shrews live in burrows close to ponds. They go to ponds to hunt for fish and beetles to eat. A mother water shrew carries a fish back to her burrow. She feeds the fish to her babies. She's feeding her babies. Some ponds dry out when it's hot and sunny. When it rains, they fill up with water again. After the rain, lots of animals come to live in the ponds. Thirsty animals come to the ponds to drink too. These are fallow deer.